So you want bigger garlic bulbs. Let me show you how.
Before we get started, we have a free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. It's a free tool to help you with your YouTube channel. So if you like, click on the link and head over to TubeBuddy and download it and start your YouTube journey today.
We've been doing this all week.
These are garlic scapes, and I have been out here all week harvesting them, or we have been, as Abigail said. They are a great way to get your fresh garlic in. This year we have been sauteing them with mushrooms and onions and adding them to lightly cooked asparagus. A garlic scape is the plant trying to produce seed for another generation of garlic. However, garlic cloves can be used for that purpose, so we don't need the plant to create seed. If it does do that, it diverts the energy used to making the garlic bulbs bigger into trying to make seed. So by removing them, we accomplish two things. The garlic plant takes its energy and puts it into growing a bigger bulb, which will be harvested sometime next month. And number two, we get to have fresh garlic for our meals and to share with our friends. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and as always, comment and share. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.
If you want bigger garlic bulbs, just let them grow longer.
Take two.
Do you want bigger garlic bulbs?
So you want bigger garlic bulbs? Let me show you how.
If you want bigger garlic bulbs, let me show you how.
You gotta look at the camera, Seth.
Oh.
Look at right here.
If you want bigger garlic...
No, look at me.
A smaller garlic bulb. And pick this. It's so cute.
Seth, look at me. So you want bigger garlic bulbs? Let me show you how.
Okay.
Say it.
Say it.
We've been doing this all week.
We've been doing this all week.
Okay, say it one more time.
We've been saying this all day week. All week.
We've been doing this all week.
We've been doing this all week.
But you gotta look over here when you say it. Look right here. You can stand there, but just look at the camera. Look right here and say, we've been doing this
Hey,
all week.
We've been doing this